Alright, you guys want the damn lines? Here's your lines. Does that look better? So apparently there's controversy on the way I draw teeth. These little lines here, these are not the teeth. We're not actually drawing the teeth. What we're drawing is the gum lines. These aren't short little spiky teeth. Look in the mirror and smile really big. You're gonna see your gums. Most of us are gonna see our gums. I guess it's one of those optical illusion things that only half of us can see. What if I drew the bottom of the teeth here? Can you see it now? What if I shaded in the gums and penciled in the bottom teeth? You can draw teeth however you want to draw teeth. This is just how I draw teeth. The point I'm trying to make with this little demonstration is to show you that you don't have to draw those lines, vertical lines in between each tooth. If you just do it on the outside, it's going to make the teeth look like they're round and curve on the inside of the mouth. Notice how the edge of the teeth are shaded as well, back towards the back of the mouth. I get it. Maybe the last one was a little bit hard to see and you thought the gums were little pokey teeth. But let me show you what it looks like if you draw a line in between each tooth. Looks kind of funny, don't you think? 60-second tutorial on drawing teeth and a smile with the mouth open. Do not draw these vertical lines. It ends up looking all gap tooth. Draw the gum lines, which are kind of just like a V shape. Don't draw the lines straight down. And under the gum lines on the two front teeth, put a dot as markers. Now on the third and fourth tooth, you can put a line, very thin. Put another one, darken in there. That shows the contour of it and makes it look way more natural. Shade it in with your blending stump. How to draw teeth with the upper and the lower teeth showing. We're going to start again with the gum lines. By doing this, you are creating the shape of the teeth. We're going to do the bottom as well, but only for the bottom 2 to 4 teeth. Put your dots in between to line up where your teeth should be, and unless you're trying to create someone with gaps, only draw the vertical lines on the last 2 to 4 teeth on the outside. That means the 4 front teeth and the 4 bottom teeth should not have a vertical line. Blend it in and shade on the outside of the teeth to show a little bit of depth and shadow for the teeth in the back of the mouth. That's it. Cheese! How to draw teeth, this time with the mouth open, showing the top teeth and the bottom teeth with the teeth not clenched together. Here we go. I start the same way as always. I draw the top gum line and then the bottom gum line, and then I'm going to draw the outline of the top teeth with the canines here, and then do it again on the bottom, and then color in that small gap with a dark pencil, and that will create the separation that everybody's asking for. And again, I'm only going to draw the vertical lines on the outside teeth, not the first 4 teeth, because then it looks a little gap-toothed, and by doing this, it creates the contour and a little bit of depth. Blend it all in. Don't forget to blend in your gum lines, and that is it. Thanks again. Here's some more teeth. Okay, you guys are freaking killing me on this thing. Okay, let's start kind of where I left off. Dot. 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 You're lining it up with the gum lines. Dot. 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 Okay? That's showing the bottom of the teeth. The reason you don't have lines because it's going to look all gap tooth, like I said. Go to this third one over. Put a line there. That's fine because you're making the contour of the teeth, right? This one, do it again. Over here. And on this edge, you could color that in. Color that one in softly, just a little bit. That's it. That's all you need. She looks horse-faced. Bring this up a little bit. Let me give you some tips to draw lips at a 3/4 view. If you can get the basic shape down, the rest isn't as hard as you think. I'm going to draw a little V for the Cupid's bow on the upper lip. For the teeth, I'm just going to draw the gum lines and the shadow underneath the teeth. Then with a 2H pencil, I'm going to shade the lips and blend it together with a blending stump. See this pencil right here? This is an 8B. It draws much, much darker than your number 2 pencil. All you need is a pencil and a piece of paper to practice drawing. But if you do have these tools and you know how to use them, it makes drawing much easier. One of the biggest tips I could give you to create more realistic drawings is there should be no white on your paper unless it's a really, really bright highlight. So I like to cover even the white of the teeth I'm going to shade. That way those little white highlights really pop out. If you want to learn some easy tips and tricks to create more realistic drawings like this one, I have a free live drawing class tonight at 6 p.m. All you have to do is click the link in my bio to reserve your seat, and we'll see you soon.